Good morning, everybody. It is 7:30 on Tuesday, December 10th, and we're going to start our prep for today. Yesterday, we mentioned that the market can move outside of our range that we've been in the last few days, and that worked out perfectly. Congratulations to our students who shorted 60.90 down to the low of the day at 60.64, which was our low target. Were you ready for that, or are you still too focused in the moment and on the dom? Let's review today so you can be more prepared and ready to trade. Just a quick reminder before we begin that derivatives trading is inherently risky and past performance is not indicative of future returns. If we take a look at yesterday's auction, we made our move from 6106, our upper rotational zone at London Open, down to our rotational low at the 60.90 before breaking at 10.43. And then we made our move down the rest of the day down to the 60.64 target. We expected that move through our rotational zone, and we had mentioned that Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday would be the days the market could move, and we were likely going to get outside of that range the last few days. And so you want to pay attention where that changes. Yesterday, we also knew that participation in the market was going to be different, and today will be the only day that our large bid is in the market. So we sold right down to it yesterday in anticipation of today. In terms of our overnight auction, we are fully inside of yesterday's range and the first day of December's trading range and value. Remember that the market is a business and these businesses have cycles that leave important clues. If you're not sure how to use that or how to take advantage of it in your own trading, check out our upcoming courses on our website at Sticks Trading Academy. From a positioning standpoint, longer term commercials are short based on our COT report, but not near triggering levels. Non-commercials are net short as well on the large end. On the small end, they are net long. Market makers are now mixed with some in risk absorbing mode and some in risk compression. And fund managers do still have about 15% of cash on the sidelines to work with. In terms of our flows today, we don't have any catalysts to substantially on the calendar today. It's CPI tomorrow that we're watching. If you are trading any of the agriculture or commodities, we have the WASI reports today that we mentioned for our COT trading, and you can check that out on X. Market makers, as we mentioned, are mixed with some in risk absorbing and some in risk compression. So we're going to watch those points today where that would change to tell us what's happening in the market and who's in control. So if we break 60.50, everybody's in risk absorbing mode. If we get over 60.90, everybody's back into risk compression. Otherwise, we are in the midst of differing business agendas. Our large participant is back again today with a $4 billion bid in the market if we stay between 60.49 and 60.79. And even if we get outside of that, we still have a $3 billion bid. So really, we can make a move up and use that bid to continue to propel us up into a distribution all the way up to 61.10. Or if we do start to go lower and the market makers go into risk absorbing mode, it still softens the blow because we have a willing buyer that's going to help dampen some of that downside move. And if we look at what's happening from our risk perspective, we are 44% underinsured for CPI and 50% underinsured for PPI. And we can then anticipate the downward pressure that is likely going to come in at some point today, and that will probably be during the higher volume periods of the day when more people are transacting. So that's what we're going to watch for the RTH session and the afternoon, especially. And in terms of our trades today now, we are going to look for the market to be rotational between 60.62 and 60.91 with our pivot at 60.80, 60.79 to 80. Under 60.62, we have our major line in the sand at 60.50, and below that, our target of 60.38. If we get over 60.91, then our pivot is 60.106 with a target of 61.13, and we will be looking to trade both directions today. Have a great day, everybody, and stay safe trading out there.